everyone. Welcome to Maths. It's easy with Mr. David one more time. And I'm so happy to have you in class today again. Hope you're doing great over there. All right, so today we're going to be looking at something very interesting as usual. We're going to be looking at how to multiply two-digit numbers quickly, and not just two-digit numbers that have the same leading digits, and then their last digits sums up to 10. Now, I know most of you might be getting confused here, but I'm going to explain using this example. Now, this is 36 times 34. Now, if you look at this, the two leading digits here are 3 and 3, and they are same. That's the first criteria. Then, the two numbers that come after it, that's the last digit, that's 6 and 4. If you add them up, they're going to give you 10. That means their sum is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. So that means these two are qualified for the trick. Now, what are other examples that can qualify for this trick? Example is if I have something like 27 times 23. Now, 2 and 2 are the leading digits, they are the same, and then 7 plus 3 will give you 10. So this is qualified. Another one is something like 31 times 39. The two leading digits are 3 and they are the same, then 1 plus 9 is 10. So anytime you have something like this that have the same leading digits, and then the number that come after them sums up to 10, you can apply the trick. And now, what is the trick? Very simple. Now, just take the leading digit, which is 3, and then find out what number comes after it numerically. That is, if I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what number comes after 3 definitely is what? Is 4. So I'm going to multiply 3 by 4. And 3 times 4 is what? Is 12. So I'll definitely write 12 here. Then I will now do what? 6 times 4, that's the number at the back, which is what? 24. So definitely I will add it here. So my answer is what? 1224. That's pretty simple, right? And easy. Okay, let's look at another example. This is 47 multiplied by what? 47 multiplied by 43. Now, let us check whether it satisfies the condition. Now, 4 and 4 are the leading terms and they are the same. So condition 1 is satisfied. 7 and 3 sum up to 10. 7 plus 3 will give you 10. So that means they are qualified to be solved using this particular trick. So now, how do I solve 4, the leading term, multiplied by a number that comes after it? What number comes after 4? Arithmetically, that's 5. So 4 times 5 is what? Is 20. So now, I'm going to write 20 here, and then I'll go on ahead and multiply 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is what? 21. So that means the answer to this question is what? 2021, which is what? 2021. This is pretty simple and easy, right? Okay, let's look at another one. This is what? 62 multiplied by 68. So let us see whether they qualify for that trick. Yeah, 6 and 6 are the leading term and they are the same. So the first one is qualified. Then 2 and 8 sum up to 10. 2 plus 8 will give you 10. So that means I can apply that trick there. So quickly, I'll go on ahead to start 6. What number comes after 6? Numerically, that's what? 7. So 6 times 7 definitely will give you 42. So definitely, I'm going to have 42 here. Then I'll now multiply the last two digits there, 2 and 8. 2 times 8, which will give you what? 16. So the answer is what? 4,200 and what? 16. This is pretty easy and so fast. Can even solve as fast as a calculator. Okay, now let's look at the last one for today. That's 79 multiplied by 71. So of course, they fulfill the condition because 7 and 7 are the same. And then 9 plus 1 will give you 10. So how do I work on this? I'll start with 7. What number comes after 7? That's 8. So 7 times 8 will give us what? 56. So here I have 56. Then 9 times 1 will give us what? 9. But we're not going to write 9 because all the numbers we are going to be putting there must be in 2 digits. So how do I make 9 to be in 2 digits? This is 09. 09 and 9 is the same thing. So I'm going to add this 09 here. This is going to be what? 5,609. This is super easy. I would like you to try it out. Also, introduce them to your kids too. So I'd like you to do these ones as do them at home, and then send your answers to me on the comment section. So it's nice having you in class today, and hope to see you again next time. Have a nice time over there. See you and bye bye. Remember, math is easy. Just say yes. Bye and see you next time.